Hello and welcome to English Note. I am your English teacher, Sven. This lesson we are talking about the sound th. So the words this, that, these, those, they all have the th sound. This sound can be quite hard for some learners of English. Maybe they say z or s or sh, which doesn't sound quite right. We want to say th. Now, the way we do this is your tongue and your teeth are just touching. Then your tongue goes back. So watch. This, that, these, those. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of how you can practice this. Let's take a look.
The TH sound. We have two sentences, and I want you to remember these and practice saying them, because this is a great way for you to practice how to say the th sound. So I'm going to do it first slowly, and then I will do it faster. First time. This, that, these, and those. That's the way the TH goes. Now, faster. This, that, these, and those. That's the way the TH goes. When you say this word, this word, if you start to say words with the TH and you say them very fast, or you don't pronounce this correctly, often I will hear it starts to sound like zat, this, that. I hear a lot of learners of English saying this because they are not using their mouth correctly, and I don't want you to say this, especially when you start saying it fast. It's very easy to say this, like that and this, but I want you each time with your tongue this. Okay, one last time. This, that, these, and those. That's the way the TH goes. Last thing to remember here. O's, goes, those, goes. You can hear the last sound is the same. When you have two sentences like this, or more sentences, it's a kind of song which is called a rhyme. So these two sentences, they rhyme because the last sound sounds the same. What I want you to do is to remember this rhyme and practice saying it, making sure each time that you get the th sound.
That was a lesson on the th sound. I want you to practice what I taught you. So this, that, these, and those. That's the way the TH goes. Remember not to do this too fast or to say it wrong. I don't want to hear this, that, these, and those. Nope. This, that, these, and those. Okay, I hope you found this lesson useful. The full lesson is on EnglishNote.com. You can ask me any questions that you like. And remember, keep on learning.